Hey guys, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing again. We are on site of another returning client's home in Dunedin, Florida. This is one of our 3-story homes that we do on an annual basis. We also touch up the fence and the sidewalk for them while we were here. As you can see, we get a little bit of the pollen and the mildew on the fence. We get tannin stains all over the sidewalks. So we're gonna get that all taken care of for him today. But as you can see up top, we get a lot of buildup from the trees up there as well. We do go all the way around this fence. And then, of course, we will shoot the second floor balcony up there. And all the stuff that you see growing over the fascia of the home. One of the things we do like to point out from time to time, you see we've got some discoloration on that hardware. We will touch up their patio furniture, as well as all of the paver stones. And then back here, we will put chlorine down on the pool deck to get rid of tannin stains. These are fresh stones last year, so they do not need cleaned or anything yet. Another thing we like to do is make sure that electrical is all taped up and ready to go. This is an indoor box, not an outdoor box, so we got to be careful about that. And of course, it doesn't have any cover, so we're going to clean that off first so that it doesn't come off because of it being dusty. We will throw some tape over there, especially the holes, and then we won't have to worry about getting electrocuted or shorting out any of their electrical. I like to take a piece of tape, fold it over. Now there's a nice little tag at the bottom, so you can just lift it off at the end. Now we're all sealed up and we can work on those mud daubers without shorting out the electrical. There you have it. Electrical box 1, 2, and 3. Alright guys, we are finished with this project. Again, we did a house wash here. We did the picket fence. And of course, we also treated the sidewalk here with a little bit of chlorine to get rid of the tannin stains. As you can see, windows are nice and bright. They're clean. No water spotting. We of course did some mud dauber removal up here. And then back here, we treated the pool deck with chlorine so that we could get rid of the tannin stains on their travertine. We also rinsed off all the patio covers on the furniture there. As you can see, everything up in the soffits and on the gutters is gone. As we continue on around, there you can see the patio that we shot from the ground. Of course, we shot up there on that third floor. We did rinse all the patio furniture down here. Moved the rug and cleaned under it. Windows are still drying. We rinse up in the top there all of the rafters. As you can see up there, I'm going to bring the camera up. We do of course shoot all of that from the ground. As you can see, the fence has been cleaned. I like to use my bucket sprayer to hold gates open whenever I can't just grab a block. There you see this side of the fence as well. Of course, we shoot that peak up there from the ground. And all the fence to the end of the property line there. We are done with this project now. The van is all wrapped up and we will be heading off to our next project. If you live in Dunedin, Palm Harbor, Oldsmar, any of the surrounding areas, even into West Chase and Largo, my number is 727-200-2352. I would love to earn your business. Give me a call.